Hey guys, please don't be angry, but I finally broke down. I got Overwatch. Oh, I can't play my favorite character. It's fine. So, I haven't played Overwatch since last night, alright? That's when I first got the game, and I played like one or two games. Felt like I did a pretty good job. I used to play this game on PlayStation 4, but now I got it for PC. Now, uh, I'm still okay. It's probably because everyone else is still garbage at the game because I'm only playing with rank ones and stuff. But I'm feeling good. I'm feeling. I mean, I'm still trash at a lot of guys, but I'm really good at one character because that's the only character I'd ever play. You'll see. Yeah, let's enter this freaking skirmish or whatever.
Welcome to Oasis.
So, we gonna be playing as this boy. I bought the legendary edition, which I probably shouldn't have done. So I got this epic skin. That guy just got epic. I just got epic gamer trolled.
Dooley, Dooley.
Greetings!
G'day, mate.
So, Demo Man is probably my favorite class to play in this game. I really like the Demo Man. I've never met a more fun character. He's literally insane. Unlike me. And in all honesty, you don't really need to aim. He's actually probably one of the most brain dead characters you can play. There are.
Ladies and gentlemen, start your engines.
There you go.
No one can hide from my sight.
Back for more.
Alright.
Oh, you really
You see,
stepped in it, mate.
like, literally, as long as the other team is terrible and they don't have eyeballs and they don't look, Junkrat's a good character. And it's actually brain dead. All the things you get away with. Just for... No, obviously I don't really
If
care.
at first
This
you don't
is a
succeed,
skirmish.
blow it up again.
But
Stop me if you've
you
heard
know,
this
it's
one
fun.
before.
I like this character because it reminds me of the Demo Fortress. I don't like how they're spawned.
Oh, just leave this here.
Oh, cool! I found a game. All right, cool. So I don't know. I might play one or two games, upload it all raw footage. Oh, we're on the attack. Junkrat's gonna be garbage. All right, cool. These are pretty much the only two characters I ever really play as. McCree or Junkrat. I don't play anyone else. Like, this is just me. This is my life. I only play for DPS.
Let's get you back out there.
Executing pre-combat routines. Optimizing strategy.
Hey. Hey there.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
Howdy.
Consider only victory. Make defeat
Hey.
an impossibility in your mind.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how is your
Hey
pain?
guys,
Smoking's bad for
I'm
your head.
Sloodler.
Well,
I'm the real Sloodler,
I have
guys.
faith you can get
So
me patched
if we
back
lose
up,
this,
Doc.
it's your guys' fault.
I already fucking hate you.
Hey there.
Thank you.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attack commencing. Engaging escort.
This is my Smurf account. My real one is Sloodler_1.
We still need you.
Dang, I got freaking epic trolled by that guy. I like how my team it's just like, how did this doomfist just freaking flank us? How? He just walked up. He didn't do anything special at all.
Let's get you back in this fight.
Bastion Nerf Bastion, am I right, guys? I'm sorry. But, Jesus Christ. Well, at least we're winning. We're winning. It's all because of me, right? Yep. I'm gold on 2 eliminations. Oh boy. Wow.
Well now.
So pretty much that freaking Zarya wasted the ult because they were all focusing
I am
me,
moving with the payload.
which is just great.
Hello. Let's start over at the beginning.
All systems checked out.
It's high noon.
Let's start over at the beginning.
Alright. I'm no longer doing the best on my team. Maybe if I switch to Junkrat, I'll do better.
Let's get the payload moving again.
I didn't end up as well as I wanted it to. Alright. Time to play a real character.
It'll take more than that.
Check in.
60 seconds remaining.
Now watch how a pro plays this game.
Takes a licking. It's on ticket. You won't get rid of me that easy.
The battle continues.
Takes a licking. It's on ticket.
Can we please? Can we please?
Holy.
To Valhalla.
Best head for the hills. I'm on fire. Experience tranquility.
Stupid.
Let me get this. Let's keep it moving. Self-destruct
I
sequence.
feel the warmth of the iris.
All systems checked out.
Actually stupid. Oh my god. I don't know how. I got a big question, guys. I don't know how that worked at all.
Let's get you that item. Damage boost engaged.
can't get rid of me that easily. Stop me if you've heard this one before.
Strength unleashed.
Alright.
Payload in motion. Stay.
Going in for the stupid flank as Junkrat.
Watch your step. Oh, this'll be good. Oh, just...
30 seconds remaining.
Silent. Attacking. The payload is locked.
Hold still.
Till Valhalla. Activating self-destruct.
10 seconds remaining.
Meteor strike.
Takes a licking. Keeps on ticking.
Alright. It's not gonna work.
Defeat.
Alright, that Bastion's probably gonna get played the game. But it's fine. We did it. We tried.
Play of the game.
Oh. Look how fun that looks. I wish I were that guy. Alright. We're gonna play one more game because that one was awful. I was playing as McCree. My controller was lagging. My little brother was playing. It wasn't even me. You know, I was blindfolded as well. It was all. Yeah. You guys get it. So. Alright. Loot box. Oh, they got a shop now? Oh. Okay. You hate to see that. You really hate to see that. Jesus Christ. Alright. I guess. Junkrat. Let's take a look at my highlights, baby. Highlight. Alright, that's cool. That's cool. Alright. I think this one was a lot better. This is from last night, by the way, guys. I think that's it. Damn. Kind of disappointing. Alright. Let's just load into one of these matches.
Welcome to Oasis.
Alright. Tons of...
Perfect day for some mayhem.
Alright, now watch this.
Have to watch out for the 1%.
Oh, this is this one's for you.
Oh, I accidentally killed that other.
Eyes on the bad guys.
That's what I mean. That's what I mean by Junkrat's a really stupid character. I just accidentally killed that one guy I wasn't even aiming for. I was trying to kill the Hanzo. And I killed whoever that other guy was.
Hanzo, at your service.
Literally the dumbest character in this game. I'd say by far is Junkrat or Bastion.
Tights a licking, heads on ticking.
Oh, cool. Found a game.
Now enter
Please be on defense or on attack. Alright, that's fine.
It's a perfect day.
Oh, we joined the game in progress.
This one's for you.
Should be simple.
Get out, mate. Get out. Oh, this is here. The hunter plays the trap. Rise and shine. Back for more.
Alright, that was... Alright, maybe Junkrat is not a good idea.
Back for
I don't
more.
know.
Hey, can our tanks be a little bit more tanky, please? And stop hanging out by the spawn door.
Alright, we're playing this game.
Reaver flanking.
I return to the fight.
seconds.
Reinhardt at your service. Step right.
Can you guys get on point? I killed everything, but you guys just fucking slowly walking. Like, bro.
30 seconds remaining.
Our time runs short. We must
Hey,
increase our
dude,
efforts.
I'm Slulu.
My will made real.
I know what I'm doing. I'm a pro. Based off of that kill cam, it doesn't look like I'm a pro. But you guys can trust me, okay? I am a pro. I am really good at the video game, okay?
return to the fight.
The payload has come to a halt. Get it moving.
The battle continues.
Step right up.
The payload has reached the checkpoint.
Pass this forward.
Activating the barrier.
From afar.
I'm not a very good Genji. Let's try Reaper.
Where are you going?
I don't know. Right now, I'm just kind of testing out all the characters, I guess. How does he always flame? He's always on the flame.
You guys like stop dying, please?
I would if you were good at the video game like me. Got him.
Bro, don't say nothing about me if I was fucking serious.
Dude, 1v1 me and freaking Fluffy, they freaking lose, buddy.
But you all fucking died to that.
Dude, calm down. It's a quick play match.
60 seconds remaining.
Heroes never die. I admire your efforts. The
All
power
me
of
right there.
destruction.
That was all me.
Okay.
30 seconds remaining. It's 10 seconds remaining. Overtime.
Just touch.
Defeat.
Alright, I blame the guy that was talking in chat just now. Not me, but the guy before me. I feel like he's the reason we lost.
Play of the game.
If our Sig wasn't trying to fucking 1v1 a fucking doctor, he probably would have won.
Hey, King. King, calm down. It's a video. I think I made him mad. Did we get a loot box? Yes, we did. Alright, we're gonna end this video on a freaking loot box opening. Let's go, baby! Oh, what did I get? Oh! 3 blues! Banana Monkey? Oh, I didn't even know that's the name of the skin. Banana Monkey? Yeah, I got freaking banana. Alright, and then what's this? Nice. I got peanut butter for Winston. Oh my goodness. Winston Churchill. Oh, hold on, I gotta see that one more time. Where is it? The Gorilla Man. Oh my goodness. Oh, Gorilla Man with the banana skin. Hell yeah. Freaking banana monkey. That's awesome. I'm cool. I'm epic. Y'all are not. Anyways, if you liked it, please leave a like, leave a comment if you want more. And as always, see you later, gamers.